Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to secure and protect WordPress website. So open this plugin section, add new and search this iThemes security. The best WordPress security plugin to secure and protect WordPress site. It's very famous and as we can see it has about 1 million plus active installation. There are some more useful free and paid features. Just you have to install it. After installation, activate it. Now here click on security, then click on setup. Select one of the following that best represents your website, like e-commerce network, non-profit, blog. Choosing who you are setting the site up for. Now here select self or client. Now here complete these all options, features, login, security, two-factor authentication greatly increase the security of your WordPress user account by requiring additional information beyond your username and password in order to log in. There are lockouts, local brute force, and ultimate. In user group, you have some more options in configuration and notifications and secure site. So check out these all options and turn on some free options. So use and try and check out these features. Hopefully guys you like this video and this is the very useful features for all WordPress website user. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.